Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Adidas Prime 6 is probably one of the most versatile and durable backpacks on the market, perfectly blending athletic functionality with everyday practicality, making it an essential companion whether you're heading to the gym, school, or embarking on a weekend adventure, all while keeping your gear organized and protected with its thoughtful design. Number 5. Adidas Excelerator School Backpack, 33L. Designed for your busy school and work life, this backpack offers ample space for all your essentials. Its multiple zip pockets keep your phone, keys, and small items perfectly organized, making it ideal for students and active adults alike. Experience all-day comfort with its padded shoulder straps and supportive back panel. It eases the load through long days, ensuring a comfortable carry whether it's packed with books or essentials for your commute. Keep your valuable tech safe with a dedicated interior sleeve that fits up to a 16-inch laptop. This feature ensures your device is protected through daily commutes, study sessions, and even weekend travel. Stay refreshed throughout your day with two side pockets, each holding a 32-ounce water bottle. Easily accessible without opening the main compartment, they help you stay hydrated during lectures, gym sessions, and travel. Whether you're a high school student, a college student, a daily commuter, or an active adult, this backpack is your ideal companion. It's built to support your dynamic lifestyle, from campus to work and beyond. What we like. This backpack offers dedicated space for a 16-inch laptop and excellent organization for all your essentials. Its padded straps ensure comfort through long days. If you are a student or commuter needing robust tech protection and comfortable carry, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no helpful points could be extracted for buying Adidas Prime 6. Number 4. Prime 6 Backpack. This backpack is engineered for enduring performance. It comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring it is built to withstand the test of time in your adventures. Experience unparalleled comfort even with heavy loads. Its innovative load spring shoulder straps are designed to distribute weight evenly, making your journey lighter. Spills and messes are no match for this backpack. It features a wipeable lining, allowing for quick and easy spot cleaning with just soap and water. Stay organized with its generous storage options. Multiple zippered pockets provide abundant space for all your essentials, keeping everything secure and accessible. Your valuable electronics are safe inside. It includes a dedicated padded compartment, perfectly designed to securely store laptops up to 15 inches. Stay hydrated throughout your day with ease. It features two convenient mesh side pockets, perfectly sized to hold up to 32-ounce water bottles. What we like. Built to last with a lifetime warranty, this pack features load spring shoulder straps for comfortable carrying. Its wipeable lining makes cleaning a breeze. If you prioritize durability, comfort, and easy maintenance for daily use, this is your go-to. What people say. Number 3. Adidas Excel 6 School Backpack 40L. Experience superior comfort with its innovative load spring shoulder straps. They are designed to distribute weight evenly, making your load feel lighter and more manageable. This durable companion comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring it's built to withstand daily use. Its robust construction and ample pockets make it perfect for work or the gym. Maintain its pristine look effortlessly thanks to its wipeable material. A quick clean with soap and water keeps it fresh, making it ideal for your tech gear or daily commute. Keep your valuable electronics safe with its dedicated interior sleeve. It securely holds up to a 15-inch laptop, making it an excellent choice for students or travelers. Stay organized with its numerous zippered pockets, offering abundant storage for all your essentials. This makes it a highly versatile option, whether you're using it for your computer or business needs. Stay hydrated throughout your day with its two convenient mesh side pockets. They are perfectly sized to hold up to 32-ounce water bottles, keeping your drinks easily accessible. What we like. With a generous 40L capacity, this backpack can handle all your gear, supported by load spring straps for comfort. It also comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring long-term reliability. If you need maximum storage for school, work, or travel and value lasting quality, this larger option is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Adidas Lite Racer Adapt 4.0 Running Shoes. Step into a world of softness with these running shoes. They are engineered to provide superior cushioning, making every stride feel incredibly smooth and comfortable. You'll love how they support your feet. These shoes feature an innovative design that molds to your foot. They offer a snug yet flexible fit, ensuring stability and confidence with every movement you make. Your feet will feel securely cradled. Feel light as air with their ultra-lightweight construction. They won't hold you back, allowing for effortless speed and agility during your runs. You'll barely notice them on your feet. Beyond the track, these shoes boast a contemporary and versatile look. They seamlessly blend athletic functionality with everyday fashion, making them perfect for any occasion. You can wear them anywhere. Whether you're hitting the pavement or simply navigating your daily routine, they are your ideal companion. They offer the perfect combination of support, comfort, and style for all your activities. Get ready to move with them. What we like. Featuring an easy slip-on design, this shoe provides instant comfort for everyday wear. Its lightweight construction and cloud foam cushioning ensure a soft stride. If you're looking for ultimate convenience and plush comfort for casual outings, this is a perfect fit. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract specific product features or facts due to empty input. Number 1. Adidas Harden Volume 6 Shoes. Step onto the court with confidence. These shoes are engineered to elevate your performance, giving you the edge you need to dominate. Experience unparalleled comfort with their responsive cushioning. They provide the perfect blend of support and flexibility for every move. Their advanced outsole delivers exceptional traction, allowing for quick cuts and explosive movements. Stay agile and in control throughout the game. Beyond performance, they boast a sleek, modern design. You'll look great whether you're playing hard or just stepping out. Crafted with durable materials, they're designed to withstand the intensity of your toughest games. Rely on them season after season. What we like. Engineered for the court, this shoe delivers top-tier basketball performance with responsive cushioning. It offers a secure lockdown fit to support dynamic movements. If you're a serious basketball player seeking enhanced agility and stability, this model will elevate your game. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.